So the question is, what do LLMs bring to the Cincinnati Law community? LLM students bring a lot. They come from all over the world with a diversity of perspectives. Many of them would have already worked.
Everyone meets you, talk to you, shake your hand, ask you where you come from. Everyone wants to know about you.
It's more like a family because, everyone is from somewhere that's not here, so very much have something in common that's not being from here.
I was expecting that we would be welcomed, but not as much. They were just amazing, brilliant, helpful, supportive.
We benefit tremendously by having LLM students in our learning community. They bring knowledge, they bring perspective that we would not otherwise have.
Cincinnati brings a variety of unique advantages. Chief among them, we are a medium-sized city that has a very strong corporate base. Speaking as a former corporate practitioner, I see that the connections between the legal community and business community and the law school itself are very strong.
Cincinnati is an ideal legal community. The city offers a number of different kinds of legal practices. But what that means in terms of its impact on the LLM students and the law school is that in addition to our full-time faculty, that we are able to draw upon the talents of the local legal community.
The important thing to realize is that in Cincinnati, the University of Cincinnati is the law school. So we're very closely connected to lawyers and judges in the community, and those folks go out of their way to help our students.
Well, the LLM program is really great with networking. We have been able to meet lawyers and judges. We have met professors from other countries. The program is really great in organizing these events for us and exposing us to as much as they can.
Clearly, law school is not a vacation. For the student who is willing to put in that effort, they're going to have, I think, one of the most exciting years of their lives.
I expect it to be difficult, but I didn't know everybody here will be so helpful. That's made the difference.
The faculty support has been tremendous, honestly. Coming so many miles away from home and not knowing so many people here, and then the faculty is mostly what you have to depend on is what has probably kept me here, happier.
I would say that LLMs are thrown into the JD classes, and all of my classes, they're thrown in and they thrive. Most of them are very engaged, they participate a lot, and as I mentioned, I oftentimes will drop on LLMs because of their practical experience and the fact that the degree conferring system is slightly different in other countries, so that many LLMs would have had some practical experience. I think that's useful. I
went to law school in England, and the experience has been like day and night because I am used to huge lecture halls with 300, 400 students. There is no one-on-one with the professor, so here it is a better setting. The classrooms are smaller, so it feels like each student has time to speak to the professor if there's any problems or issues. And in such a small classroom setting, it feels like a more intimate atmosphere. You can really open up and learn much better.
Now, outside the classroom, I have frequently supplemented my interactions with them. I regularly meet with LLM students. I've supervised individual research projects with LLM students, and I see them a lot outside the classroom to make sure that they feel like they're well integrated and participating happily.
Support from faculty here, I think since day one, they support you by letting you know about the community here, about the town, where you would like to spend your weekend, if you would like to look for apartments. They are very active and they help you so much to know everything here in the community.
I think one of the outstanding things that our program has to offer is the chance for students to participate in work experience opportunities. Right now we have several students from the LLM program who are enrolled in our Domestic Violence and Civil Protection Order Clinic. So these students are working with JD students, they're working with local attorneys, and they're working with actual clients who need their help. So these students have an opportunity to learn what it's really like to be a lawyer in the U.S.
Most of the professors, they have practical experience. They don't just have like theoretical knowledge. This is really helpful. This is important for students. For example, most of them really helped me to build some contacts, build some relationship with the people who work in practice, with the prosecutor's office, with the court. So this is one of the area of interest for me, so I'm really grateful for all of this stuff.
I would say be prepared for the most exciting year of your education, as well as what comes with learning another culture. In terms of one's individual growth as a person, you can't beat these experiences.
I really hope that when students finish their year here completing the LLM program, I hope that they've had a great experience. I hope that they've made very good friends who can be part of their professional network for their entire career. And so far from what I'm seeing, that happens. I also hope that students finish the program with a whole new level of confidence about their ability to master legal English and about their ability to represent U.S. clients or represent other parties doing business in the U.S. So I think that our students leave with a very carefully honed skill set that will bring them tremendous benefit through their career.